Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, I'm Portia Chuchu. I'm the founder of Omolemo Ankara Creations. We are based in Soshanguve. My business started January 2018. Initially, I started my business because I'm a ZCC member and I'm a young person. I wanted to wear my doek in compliance with my church, but then I also wanted to be fashionable. So I started making accessories which go with my doek just to make it more fun, funky, and more appealing to young people. The products that I'm offering is that I'm doing accessories. These are all the earrings which I'm making, and I also make fabric jewelry. And this is a chibelani. It's also part of a traditional Tsonga accessory, and I also make clothing as well. Also, this red belt which I'm wearing, I also made it, and the earrings which I'm wearing. So I design and make clothing as well as accessories for them. What makes our difference is that they are multifunctional. So one product, you can use it maybe in multiple times. Like the dresses which I make, I always try to make it should be a dress and also be a skirt so that people can be able to play around with our products. Like this one, you can also wear it like 4 times. Like it's one product, but then a person can wear it 4 times. A person can wear it like this, or they can put it like this on the chest, or maybe they can wear it in a skirt form. So our products are multifunctional, which makes us different, and also our products go with accessories. So there's no need for you to shop in different shops. You can just shop at our store. You can get in touch with me via social media. I'm on Instagram. On Instagram, I'm Omolemo Creations, and then on Twitter, I am Ankara Omolemo, and on Facebook, I am Omolemo Ankara Creation. The WhatsApp number is 078-6378-637. Hi, my name is Portia Chuchu, and I am a township entrepreneur.